welcome to the Motorcycle Rescue Channel. Here's the cover. It arrived by SF. And let's have a look and see what's inside this bag here. This is the unboxing. It arrived by courier. The bag's blown off in the wind there. I'll be throwing it out in a second. And here's a seat. Let's have a look and see what we got here. It's a vinyl cover. What's supposed to be special about this vinyl cover is it's supposed to have a brand on it. There we go. There we go. There's the brand. So it's fairly big. I'll be putting it on the bike, and we're going to have a reveal in the next video. See how this thing looks sitting on this bike. And there we are. Covers on the bike, which makes the work area look much nicer. I think I'm going to have to get me a second one of these wooden pallets so the bike can fit either on top, or not quite sure what to do there. I do like the wood there though. It sort of presents a visual barrier for people to not mess with this bike, which is what's been happening. And it looks a lot more presentable. Until I get it finished, I'll be putting the cover on at the end of every workday, just to make it more visually appealing and prevent curiosity and people messing with the vehicle.